I've heard what happened sa team. Nag-worry ako sa'yo. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you sa concern.
Alam mo, every time na umaalis kayo para lumaban, lagi akong nag-worry sa'yo. I'm glad na safe at nakabalik ka na. Ayos. Steve. Remember, I'm always here for you.
He doesn't love you, Jamie. He does. Hindi ka niya pakakawalan. Kaya sana, ako na lang talaga mahalin mo.